Good place, good services. Nice place, good services. Exceptional, gorgeous. Good service, good room. Great location. Hotel is very near to Neiman Road, heart of shopping center. Hallway is a little bit scary but at its best conditions and cleanness under this hotel year-old. Good location, price, clean and nice service staff. Exceptional. So perfect to stay here. Nice hotel, a bit old but good staff. The room very clean, not far from shopping center. Easy access, good location, can walk to One Niman and Maya Mall. Convenient for access by car, big enough car park. Atmospheric place. I was there in February, low season. The hotel is gigantic and it was all empty. I was the only guest. Sometimes it felt like in The Shining movie, embarrassed smiley face, so atmospheric. Overall I like to be there. It has a good swimming pool, big rooms and comfortable bed. Nice place near everything, love it. The room is clean, nice and the service is great. Medical, I was, thank you all staff. Great value, it's nice to sleep in nice linen with just a small fraction of money, spotless clean, walkable to Maya Mall and One Niman. Great hotel, awesome hotel with excellent breakfast and others facilities. The staff is very helpful. Fair to stay, overall is worth to stay. Really good. Nice hotel with good service except the Wi-Fi connection. The fourth floor doesn't even have a strong Wi-Fi signal. Best choice, I'm happy to stay in Chiangmai Hill Hotel. Good place, good services. Nice place, good services. Exceptional, gorgeous. Good service, good room. Great location. Hotel is very near to Neiman Road, heart of shopping center. Hallway is a little bit scary but at its best conditions and cleanness under this hotel year-old. Good location, price, clean and nice service staff. Exceptional.